The wind's starting to kick up. We saw a warning on our phone. It says flash flood warning for this area for the next 2 hours. I'm now starting to see white caps in the water. We're closing up everything on the houseboat. From the top of the houseboat. What a night. Oh my goodness. We had quite a night last night. It was about, I don't even know what time it was. Everyone had been in bed for maybe 45 minutes. So it wasn't super late. And the carbon monoxide monitor started going off. So I ran from bedroom to bedroom telling everybody I needed them off the houseboat because I wasn't taking any chances. I've heard horror stories before of entire families dying from carbon monoxide poisoning on a houseboat. So we heard from previous owners that a certain 3 carbon monoxide detectors like to go off together. So we thought, oh, maybe it's nothing. But then 2 more started going off. And at that point, I'm like, we're not going back in. We're not taking any chances. The generator was off at that point. But we have sleeping pads on the top. It's very normal to sleep on the top of the houseboat. The only thing that was really nerve-wracking is that we had baby Poppy, cute little Penny, cute little Ava, and my parents. So we got all the little girls in their life jackets. And I still don't think my sister slept a wink. Poor thing. But honestly, it went surprisingly well. Cute little Poppy had her best night ever. I didn't hear a peep. I mean, she was like maybe 10 feet from me, and I didn't hear a peep from her.
Yeah, she's right there in the driver's seat, and her crib's up here. And literally, when everyone was sleeping, she
was so good. She was so good.
Quiet.
I know. Sun comes up really early, and so I thought we would all be up by 5 a.m., and somehow we all slept until 7:30. So I'm feeling like last night was a bit of a miracle. It honestly went as well as it could have. Breakfast with a view this morning. Justin and McKay jumped on the wave runners. They're heading back to get new carbon monoxide monitors, to get new batteries, and to talk to our repair guy about whether there's really carbon monoxide on this boat.
You guys, what a massive help just occurred here at Antelope Marina. We pull up, guys, it's 7:30 in the morning. McKay and I were going 60-something miles an hour to get here. We got here really before most things opened up. Guy passes by who works here, his name's Jason, absolute stud. I say, hey, is there any carbon monoxide at all detectors on this marina at any of the shops? None of them have them, right? Both of the convenience stores don't have any. Parts doesn't open up until 9 o'clock. And he's like, you know what? I actually think we have some spare parts up top that are plugins that are brand new, never been used, because they're only allowed to install hardwired ones. These are plug-in ones. So long story short, you guys, he goes up there, brings me 5 brand new in the package carbon monoxide detectors that plug in. How amazing is that? So 7:30 in the morning, we got here in 15 minutes, 15 minutes back, we're golden. Jason, you the man.
Jason! Oh, Jason!
Little baby fish.
No way. Is this
Striper bass.
the first fish caught for the trip?
It's about half a pound, not even.
Who caught it?
No, it's probably like a quarter pound. Not even.
It's so cute.
Striper bass.
About the size of my thumb.
My dad just walked in the houseboat with a ginormous fish in his hands.
That's dinner tonight, people.
What kind is it,
No,
Papa?
I'm
It's a
gonna.
bass.
That's a smallmouth bass.
Can Poppy touch it?
Sure.
You want to touch it? No. Okay.
No.
No fish.
All right.
No,
Nice
thank
one,
you.
huh?
You
Grandma?
gotta show Ava.
Wow. Can you believe it?
All right, we gotta put him back, guys. Here, Poppy, you just want to tell something.
This right here is one of the best parts of having a sister, a little sister that you can boss around. Every morning I just sit down and she does my hair. She does a very good job too. Did your mama do your hair?
Yeah.
Do you look so pretty? Can you say I look so pretty?
So pretty.
We've got 7 people out on 2 jet skis. We've got Justin and the twins on 1 jet ski pulling turn on a kneeboard. Ashton's on the back, facing backwards with a flag. And then we've got McKay with the 2 little girls, Penny in the front and Ava in the back. I guess you can drive the Wave Runner better than Dad.
All right, y'all, got my bride out here. All right, guys, we just cruised out to one of the alcoves here. And look at this thing.
I feel like we need to etch our name into the wall or something.
Guys, the lake is strikingly low, strikingly low. In fact, we just passed a spot where Grandma Bingham and Grandpa Bingham came with us a couple of seasons ago, and we jumped in this little bowl of water. Grandma jumped into it. Anyway, I mean, it's like 40 feet up now. You can't even get to it anymore.
Crazy. This is one of my favorite ways to explore the lake on a Wave Runner. I don't know that I've actually really ever done it. In fact, the Wave Runners are being used so much by the kids last time on our trip. This is kind of the first time we've ever gone out on our own Wave Runners together, like by ourselves. Just Justin and I, and just really fun because Lake Powell's just got so many little nooks and crannies.
Yes,
and
so much exploration you can do.
So fun. Ashy, 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 ashy.
Bro, that was the best you've ever surfed ever.
Dad, let me know when you're ready.
Nailed it.
Thank you.
Dude.
Turn surfing on the wrong side.
Whenever you're ready, 1, 2, 3, switch!
What? You guys are out there together. All right, some storm clouds are rolling in. This is going to be our first official Lake Powell storm this summer. The wind's starting to kick up. We saw a warning on our phone. It says flash flood warning for this area for the next 2 hours. I'm now starting to see white caps in the water. We're closing up everything on the houseboat. Bringing in all loose things. We cleaned up the beach, got the sand toys, all the guys. Which isn't very many. Panic! Everybody panic! They put huge rocks in their anchor holes because the biggest thing is we don't want this boat coming unanchored. So you can see over there, they added some big rocks. So we've cleaned up the front end, the back end of the boat. Now we're cleaning up the top here, just so that if the wind gets nuts, which it very well could, that we don't lose everything on this boat. Phrase, all hands on deck. We're taking that very seriously right now. Everybody's helping. These two are out here just making sure that we're safe, digging these anchor holes deeper. It's not going anywhere without this crew. So far, so good with the storm. We haven't had anything worse than a couple gusts of wind. I think we might just completely miss this one. Seen some white caps out in the water, but we're just chilling inside, playing some games.
Yeah, baby.
I love Lake Powell games. We're playing a game called Quicks. Steph and McKay brought a bunch of games for us. And the rest of the crew's over here watching a movie. We've got ribs and potatoes in the oven. Giving my mom credit this time. She made all the potatoes. And everybody says it's always Papa. Hello, beautiful girl.
I know. Look how I'm
You having the best time?
I roll second.
You and Penny live out in the sand, huh? What are you watching over there?
Kung Fu Panda.
Kung Fu Panda.
Everybody is kung fu fighting.
Come on, land. Good job, land. Yeah, the water's so rough. You did so good, though. I'm so proud of you. That's not easy.
I know. It's because when Dad pulled me on the roof, my ankles almost fell out.
That's okay. We'll try again tomorrow, okay? All right, we might be in the middle of Lake Powell, but my sister brought all these cute happy birthday decorations because it was cute little Poppy's birthday a couple weeks ago. Isn't that so fun that she decorated the houseboat? It's a Tutti Frutti happy birthday. She turned 2. It's a play on words, Tutti Frutti. We did a Tutti Frutti birthday for you too, Anime.
Ooh.
Isn't that so cute?
Oh, yeah. I did a Tutti.
Fruity when you turn 2. We got chocolate cake. And we're gonna sing to that cute birthday girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Poppy. Happy birthday to you. You blow?
Go.
Great job.
Yay!
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
You like it?
Do it again.
Okay, that's fine.
Yay!